guys, let's flex out our Python one-liner skill. So I'll declare a variable here of data assigning to a dictionary of apple, giving a value of 3, banana, 1, cherry, 2. And then I will declare a variable here called sorted data assigning to dictionary, assigning to a dictionary. Inside the dictionary we are calling the sorted method, and inside the sorted method we have data.items. That's the dot items from the dictionary object. It's a method, and I'll give it a key of lambda items column item of 1. Now we'll print the sorted data and we run it. Now we have our output of banana, which is the first one having the value of 1, cherry by 2, and apple of 3. So thank you. Please like and share, and place a comment and tell me what to do more next.